Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. So if you have multiple language packs installed on your website, then you will see a drop down that allows you or the users to select a preferred languages when basically logging in or registering or resetting a password. Okay, now this feature can be disabled completely, and the code snippet for that is in the article that we have written on WordPress 5.9. So the link to that article is in the description box below. You can check it out in case you want to disable this feature. Now to show you this change or to demonstrate it to you, what I'm going to do is I'm going to install another language. Basically I'm going to install Hindi language that I know, and then I'm going to log out and we'll show you the language switcher. So I'm going to go here and search for Hindi basically, it's right here, and I'm going to click save changes. Now this can take a second. Okay, now you can see everything has been translated to Hindi. I'm going to select English again. You can see there are two language packs that are currently installed. One is English United States and the other one is Hindi. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to log out. I'm going to click here. I'm going to log out. And now you can see the language switcher right over here. Now in case I switch to English and click change, everything changes to English. If I click this and move it back to Hindi, click change, everything moves back to Hindi. So this is the change that has been introduced. Again, the code snippet to remove this feature is in the blog post that we have created for the WordPress 5.9, and you will have to add this code snippet in the functions.php file of your site. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.